What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It is November 13th, Monday. It's muggy. It's humid. It's hot. Walked outside, started sweating my balls off. It's part of the job. It is what it is. Or at least my market, Central Florida. So, got a couple maintenances on deck. We go bang that out. That's how we're filling the schedule right now this time of year. Y'all probably doing the same thing. Mostly heat pumps. There's some gas too, but mostly heat pumps. Got a unit that is leaking in the attic. That'll be fun. And then we have a potential callback on that jackass. Matter of fact, it's actually that job I just did the X13 motor on. So we're going to see what that is all about. See if it's me, which is potentially, I would say it's me. And we're going to enjoy the rest of our day. So, smash the like button. Let's get on with the video.
All right, so this one here, you can clearly see we got our water in there. This has got, I don't know if you can see how that's like that bacterial slime going all the way down. It runs around this way, it exits out there. What was happening is, for whatever reason, there's no cap there. It does have this shut off, but it's not triggered because all the excess was flowing over down into there. Pretty crazy. So y'all already know. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my transfer pump and we'll clean it out. But look at that, that's pretty sweet. Little platform there, little ladder, not too bad. Y'all already know. Y'all have seen me use this multiple times in the past. I got the Subco cool presser to stick inside the drain pan to hold it. So I have a coupling now. Supply house has union, so I'm using those instead of going to the Depato. And we're good. Let's go knock that out right quick. So we got that set up in the corner over there, real nice. Like, gonna end up just, you can see all the water once I was messing with it. I didn't want to cut it yet to mess with it, but it's weird that like it didn't. Whatever, we're gonna check that. We're gonna pop all this off, see if it's all inside there, which I'm sure it is, so we can clear all this. Well, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this one been a lot harder than I had anticipated, so I started cutting it back. All that, look at that, same there. And it just goes all the way like that. And that's all hard sediment that's just been building up and up and up. Ooh. So, really, if I could just cut it back to there, but then it goes down through a wall, under the ground, through the hallway, out. And Lord knows it's probably like that all the way through. I mean, Unreal.
Yeah! Alright, out of the hole. It was hot bitty. It is what it is. Part of the job. Again and again. Anyways, cleared out that secondary pan. I didn't flush it through actually with my transfer pump because it was so backed up. I cut it to where it goes down through the hall or down through a wall and it goes under the hallway and out because that's an addition. And when I cut it where it went down, it was just completely blocked up. Cleared that all out. From the unit to that section, I put all new, kind of scrubbed it out, blasted it back and forth, used a whole bottle of the small bottle of drain solve in there to help break it down. We're gonna come back, run a whole new drain line out through the soffit, one for the secondary drain pan as well, which I don't know why there never was one. Clear the blower motor because that thing was filthy, and there's actually rusting of the evaporator pan there, so it overflowed and it was just going into the secondary, you know what I'm saying. So going to that callback now that this jackass did, and gonna see what the issue is. Callback Kraus. I'm back at this job where we just did the blower motor, that X13, the Gen Tech Evergreen. They're saying the fan's continuously running, which I know it is because we're gonna find out. We gotta get up on the roof which it's raining. It's not gonna be safe, but it's not warm in the house. So if I fall, we're gonna get it on camera. So for that, smash the like button, consider subscribing. Let's get on with the video. We'll fix that up. Still gotta clean these damn gutters, but what are you gonna do? It just stops it from going in the gutter, doesn't stop the buildup. So you do that, and then you line this all the way in and make it as tight as you need it. And then look, we ain't going nowhere. Now let's see. Pretty sure it's gonna be this one. Yeah, how stupid is that? So it'll be this one here, I think. And hopefully, okay, disconnects, cool. Solid. See if this thing tries to kick on. And we'll go from there, but yeah, it's 1000% this one right here. Everybody know you to call me. Don't need to take that top screw out, but for the sake of it, I'll do that screw. Hopefully it's all imploded. You can see there, Fat Daddy. It is a 40/5. So I'm right over there. These freaking sweet trees. If y'all can't tell, I kind of partial to the trees around here. Let me go ahead, go grab a 40/5, and we'll snap that bad boy in, call it a day. Grab the capacitor, 45. But I heard that thing kick on, and I thought it was the unit downstairs, or the one I'm working on. Compressor sounds like she's donezo, we all said. Yeah. Cold ass air coming out of there. What I'm gonna do, it's windy, I'm sorry. I'm gonna find out whose unit it is, go on, let them know, pick up some business, make that extra goo-wop. Let's change this capacitor. First things first, we go pull the disconnect from that power. The off season, tons of hornets in there, or nests, anyways. The off season. Volts. Check our volts. Nothing. Check the ground. Nothing. Check the ground on the other leg. Yeah, we're good. We are Gucci Poochie. Typically what you can do, a lot of guys will say, take pictures, know what you're doing. Once you've done it, you'll get a hang of it, especially for brands, what their color coordination is. It's pretty basic, nothing crazy. See if this will actually work. Yeah, I pulled the thermostat off the wall down there because I thought that's what was making that noise down there. I was letting her know what the price of this thing was, and she was cool with that $750. So as I'm doing this, I just touch that fan motor. The thing is extremely hot. So we go find out once we turn this on if that thing's good, because yeah, this is why you don't just, that's what people do, man. They just change capacitors, don't realize, where the hell did that screw go?
Okay. Literally just lost it. Okay. Fucking, oh, it's on top. Hey, how the hell? We will just change that cap. Cap probably failed because this motor's failed, or this motor's been running under that heavy load. I don't realize even with less on startup, it's gonna try and draw more, right? Or something to match it up. All the yellows are quieted down. That's why they probably ain't noticed, but compressor shit over there. We got power now. All right, cool. Let's do that again. Let me go plug that stat back in, and we will call this a success. Like I said, I mean, it's not the safest, but it'll do for now. Get down on that third rung. I'll get down on my knees and get on down there, baby. 3 points of contact at all times. Y'all hear the roar? It's not our system. But it might be. I'm pretty sure it did kick on over there. I know it's a little cooler out today. Amps. Right within range typically there. I'm gonna go ahead and do my SOP. My standard operating procedure on these. I asked the resident downstairs if they knew who that was. They did. Gave them my business card because they weren't home. So picking up some extra jobs, especially for the shoulder season. I'm gonna wrap this up, do my pressures and all that, and then I'll catch y'all in the truck. Chalk that one up as a callback. Callback Kraus in the house. Clearly I should have just did my SOPs, which I failed to do on that call. I preach it all the time, didn't practice it. So this is what happens. Didn't charge any type of diagnostic fee to go out there. Should have checked it the first time. Would have charged for the capacitor then. Did inform them that that fan motor was, you know, running hot. Even though the amps were okay, I didn't like the way it was feeling. And when it runs with a weak capacitor like that, it'll definitely cause those windings to run a little bit hotter. So with that being said, if y'all could smash the like button, consider subscribing if you're new here. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Later.